Hello friends, welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 18 July 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examinations. So try to watch the video till end. Okay. So proceed towards today's session. This was our previous day questions. Our first question was Vitu Nair appointed India's next ambassador to which country? Poland, Turkmenistan, Zimbabwe, Finland. The correct answer here is option B, Turkmenistan. Vitu Nair recently appointed as India's next ambassador to Turkmenistan. I hope you got the answer now. Our second question was which state become top in implementing PM SBA Nidhi schemes? Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar. The correct answer here is option C, Madhya Pradesh. Recently, Madhya Pradesh become top among the other states in implementing Prime Minister Street Vendor Atmanirbhar Nidhi scheme is the abbreviation of the PMSBA Nidhi scheme. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is World Day for International Justice observed on 16 July, 17 July, 18 July, 19 July. The correct answer here is option B, 17 July. On 17 July, International Justice of Day is observed. Okay. World Day for International Justice. It is observed to recognize the strengthening system of the international justice and to promote the rights of the victims. Okay. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. First online NISTA program started in which state? Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Jharkhand, Kerala. The correct answer here is option A, Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh become first state to apply first online NISTA program among the state. Okay, and it was launched by Union HRT Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank and the State HRT Minister of Andhra Pradesh Sanjay Dhotri. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. What is the abbreviation of the NISTA here? The abbreviation is National Initiative for School Heads and Teacher Holistic Advancement. Okay, next question. CPJ International Press Freedom Award 2020 announced. Where is the headquarter of the CPJ? First we have to know what is the abbreviation of the CPJ. What is CPJ? CPJ means the Committee to Protect Journalists. Committee to Protect Journalists. The headquarter of the CPJ is situated in option C, New York. In New York, we found the headquarter of the CPJ. Okay, the Committee to Protect Journalists CPJ has announced the recipient of the International Press Freedom Award 2020. Okay, and it is given to the Shahidul Alam of Bangladesh, Shahidul Alam of Bangladesh, Mohammad Mostik from Iran, Dopo Oloyomi from Nigeria, and Svetlana from Russia. This post person got this award. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Pakistan signed an agreement with which country for Azad Pathan Hydel project, power project? China, Afghanistan, Australia, America. The correct answer here is option A, China. Recently, Pakistan signed an agreement with China for Azad Pathan Hydel power project. The Azad Pathan Hydel power project, it is going to be established in POK region, Pak occupied Kashmir region, and it is a disputed area. So this is a very controversial situation now. Okay. Next question. Question number 5. Roshni Nadar Malhotra become new chairman of which company? Reliance, HCL Tech, Infosys, TCS. The correct answer here is option B, in HCL Tech. India's wealthiest woman Roshni Nadar Malhotra become new chairman of the Noida-based IT company HCL Technology. Okay, and it is the headquarters is in Noida. I hope you got the answer now. You can see the image of the Roshni Nadar Malhotra here. Okay. Question number 6. Who developed a portable hospital called Medicaf? IIT Madras, IIT Kanpur, IIT Delhi, IIT Bombay. The correct answer here is option A, IIT Madras. Recently, IIT Madras startup Modulus Housing has developed a portable hospital unit called Medicaf. Okay, this can be installed anywhere within 2 hours by 4 people. The installation of the Medicab is very easy and it is installed only in 2 hours by 4 person. Okay, you can see the image of the Medicab here, and it is trially installed in Kerala recently. Next question. Question number 7. Acharya Sri Purushottam Priyadarshi ji passed away. He was the head of Gurukul, Swami Narayan Sanstha, both A and B. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option B, Swami Narayan Sanstha. Head of the Swami Narayan Sanstha, Acharya Sri Purushottam Priyadarshi ji Swami Sri recently passed away. Okay, you can see the image of the Swamiji here. Question number 8. IOC postponed 2022 Dakar Youth Olympic to which year? 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026. The correct answer here is 2026. Option D is correct here. IOC full form is International Olympic Committee. Recently, International Olympic Committee postponed 2022 Dakar Youth Olympic to 2026. Okay, the headquarters of the IOC is found in Lausanne, Switzerland. Lausanne, Switzerland is the headquarters of the International Olympic Committee, and the president of IOC is Thomas Bach. Thomas Bach is the president of International Olympic Committee. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Question number 9. Neela Satyanarayanan passed away. She was first woman state election commissioner of which state? Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh. The correct answer here is option C, Maharashtra. Okay. The first women state election commissioner SEC of Maharashtra, Neela Satyanarayanan, passed away. She was a 1972 batch IS officer. Okay, Maharashtra is in news. The capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. Chief Minister is Uddhav Thackeray and Governor is Bhagat Singh Koshyari. Bhagat Singh Koshyari is the Governor of Maharashtra. Okay, you can see the image of the Neela Satyanarayanan here, first state election commissioner of Maharashtra, first women state election commissioner of Maharashtra. Okay. Question number 10. Telangana State Police has launched a campaign named Cyber Raksha Help Desk. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option A, Cyber. Okay, CYBHER. Okay, the Women's Safety Wing Telangana State Police has launched the cyber campaign. The campaign has been rolled out to tackle the cyber crime against children and women in the state. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Telangana is in news. The capital of Telangana is Hyderabad. Okay, and the Chief Minister is K. Chandrasekhar Rao, and Tamilisai Soundarajan is the Governor of Telangana. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. This is our question of the day. You have to answer it in the comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our next session. Our first question is, Google has decided to buy how much percent stake in Reliance Jio platform? Okay, in Reliance Jio platform. Our second question is, Poba Reserve Forest will be upgraded to wildlife sanctuary. It is in which state? Please try to answer more in comment section. Thereby a connecting link between you and educational link will be established. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. Please, those who first visit the channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon, thereby you got the notification very fast. Thank you.